Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Aikila binti Azlan. I am from Farm Cepaka and want to show you all how to make the most delicious chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients to make chocolate chip cookies are 1/2 cup flour, half teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, 125 grams butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of brown sugar, a pinch of salt and vanilla essence. These are the steps to make the chocolate chip cookies. First, put in butter, brown sugar and also vanilla essence in a mixing bowl. Next, mix them gently. Add an egg and mix. Then, add in all the dry ingredients like flour, sodium bicarbonate, chocolate chips and salt. Lastly, mix all the ingredients together. After mixing the ingredients together, scoop a teaspoon of the mixture and put it on the baking tray to bake. Heat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake the cookies for 12 minutes. Bake the cookies until light brown. Cool the cookies for 2 minutes and remove the cookie sheet. Store the cookies in airtight container. Those are the steps to make chocolate chip cookies. I hope you all enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum everyone. Bye bye friends.